here's RETAKE.AI app. So here's the app. And then this is a viral app these days, AI face and photo editor. It's made by quite famous developer here, which also made some other popular apps. So yeah, quite a lot of AI filters. So you can perfect your images with one tap and transform photos using your favorite pictures with AI. Retake is ideal for social media, turning every photo into a masterpiece. Say goodbye to ordinary photo editing apps and hello to Retake, the game changer in photography apps. Realistic AI retakes that no one can tell, not your regular photo editing app. So how does it work? It's simple as a snap. Begin your journey with Retake by uploading 10 of your favorite photos from which your personalized AI model will be crafted. What follows is the end of laborious photo sessions with countless retakes. Just snap once and let Retake refine it to perfection, offering you an array of choices, each one better than the last. So yeah, let's just open it up and see how it might work. So here is like you just select a photo. So for example, you can like or dislike, and then you just have different types of retakes. So you just have original photo, then you have the next photo, then you have the next photo. So then you just liking or disliking it to train the model. And then it automatically changes the color of the skin and like adding smiles, adding changing kind of, and then basically you can create more retakes. And then you can just upgrade. There is 7-day free trial here, which you can start. And then basically, yeah, so why this app is is trendy, because it has this really nice, I think, design, because there are so many AI selfie perfection apps. So let's just try it again. I'll try to show you. So here I just can select, all right, whatever. So here is some of the photo I have here, and all right, so then I actually, you see that in fact you need to upgrade. You can try some of the features for free, but then to add AI profile you eventually need to upgrade. So you can try one photo for free and then you need to upgrade. Oopsie. So that's basically the idea. And then but in a nutshell, that's how it works. You just upload in your photo and then you just swipe to the right and then you see the better photos. And then you just train your profile. You can delete some of the photos if you don't like those. And then you just perfecting your profile and you just deleting these selfies. And basically your AI persona becomes better and better and your selfies becoming better and better. So this way you train the model, and if you want some kind of good photo for your like CV, for your LinkedIn, or just for your Instagram, this is a really nice app to give it a try, because it really is simple. You don't have, in some other apps you just upload in a photo and then you have 25 buttons with different filters. So I don't need that. I just want to have different variations of my photo and select the better one. So this is just the difference of this app with some other ones. So give it a try.